Hi, welcome back. In this video we are going to do three things. First, we have to list all the knowledge you already have at present. Okay, just make a list. Maybe it will go 10, 20, whatever it is, put down all in the list. Okay, after that, the second activity is to write down all the source of knowledge, your preferable source of knowledge. Maybe you love book, or you love by watching TV, or by talking to somebody. Just write down different source of knowledge you like. Okay, and then the third step is to write down all different kind of knowledge you have in your reach, in your network. Okay, so in first activity, while listing down, let's discuss about the first activity. When you will be listing down all your knowledge, try to look into and try to think and select only three knowledge and put them in priority, like one which you know most, second which you know little less, and three which you know little lesser than that. Okay, so select three knowledge which you having by experience, by practice, whatever it is. This knowledge could be like weightlifting, or how to reduce weight, how to run, how to maybe how to do yoga, how to maybe even having a manners, how to behave perfectly with the people or with the patient. See, anything, any precise thing, different kind of knowledge you have, just list it down. It's not forcefully has to be either a commercial or this has to be coming from a school. Okay, maybe in school something you was pretty good in that, you was good in mathematics, in mathematics, particularly in geometry, you was pretty good in that. So maybe you are good in marketing, or precisely in digital marketing. Maybe you are good in export, but particularly export in USA. So see the different kind of knowledge you have, and just list it down and select three out of it. Okay, in the second activity, we talk about the source of knowledge. Again, we are try to make a list and select your preferable source of knowledge. 3 maximum. If it is 1, no issue. All right, and then in the third, just look into your to observe what kind of knowledge you have in your network. You need to note down the people. Okay, so just look into around you, who are people around you. Maybe you can begin with your family, go into your close friend, and then nearby, see who are nearby you. You can interact and approach easily by phone, just one call, people knows you perfectly. Okay, and then try to see in which language, what kind of image you having for them. For example, I'm having a friend who are a computer engineer, so if I'm having any computer hardware problem, I can call them, and he can suggest me over the phone what to be done. I'm having a phone who is a garagist, so if I'm having any problem in car, I know I can call him and he can help me out with some sort of problem. You see, so just look into this way and try to note down. It's not required to mention the name of the people in your network. Just note it down, the different kind of knowledge you having surrounded you. All right, and then make a video. In video, you don't have to explain everything. Just start with your introduction, list your expertise, the three knowledge you having good command on, and then your preferable source of obtaining the knowledge, and then talk about the different knowledge you are surrounded by. That's it. And then once you are done with these two videos, we will discuss further about how we can make it better to have absolute foundation to start a successful business. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.